This video will show you how to download CV from Europass. First of all, if you don't have an account on Europass, you need to create an account by clicking this button, create your free Europass profile right here. I already created my account. It's very simple. You just need to enter your profile details. Then they will send you an email. You need to go to your email and set up your account password, and then you can log into your account and finally enter your profile details. After you will create an account, then you can create a CV, and I'll show you how to download the CV from Europass. So you need to click on My Europass in the top menu, and right here on the left menu you will see Create a CV. You need to, if you have not created, you need to click on this, and there are two options. I will use the standard CV builder. Then you need to click on Create a CV, and you need to enter all of the details into your CV. After that, click on Next. You can choose the template for your CV. You can select your colors for your CV. You can select the text size and other options too, guys. Then click on Next when you customize your CV. Finally, you need to name it, for example, Test. And as you can see, my CV is empty because I have not entered any details into my CV. There are two options. You can save it into your Europass library, or you can download it into your device. You can click on download button right here, choose the location you want to download, and you will save it into PDF. Click on save and it will be downloaded into your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.